By default, when you delete a project from CapCut, it generally moves to trash. But how to remove the project permanently in CapCut? Let's see how we can do this thing. So for example, this is my CapCut and I'm going to delete this thing. So I'm going to select it and then I'm going to click this delete icon and it will be deleted like this. It is asking move to trash. Yes, we have to press OK and it will be deleted, but it's not deleted permanently. Let's see, if we click trash, we'll see that the project still is there. It's not deleted permanently. So to delete permanently, we have to select it and you'll see there is a green check mark and also it is showing on selected, and there is two icon is there. One is recover and delete. To delete this permanently, you can either click here or you can press this delete button. So I'm going to click this one and you will see it is giving the message delete this number. This is the title of this project and this item will be deleted permanently and cannot be restored. So I'm going to remove this thing permanently, right? So we have to press delete this button and I'm going to click delete button and it will be deleted from there. Now we can close it, and that's it. In this way we can delete any project permanently from CapCut and we can save a lot of space from our computer.